cars, motorcycles, jeepneys, long ago, these vehicles were among the top contributors to pollution, especially in our country, the Philippines. You see them everywhere. The air that was once fresh and clean is now gone. And as the years pass, it might get worse. But then, everything changed when Aerogas catalytic combustor arrived.
Teka, ano nga ba ang ACC?
It is developed by a Filipino chemical engineer, Marino Martinez. Ito ay anti-pollution, fuel saver, and power booster engine device.
Meron itong practical applications sa lahat ng uri ng internal combustion engines, gaya ng makina ng jeep, car, truck, ships, at pati na rin ang mga motor. Pwedeng-pwede sa mga ginagamitan ng diesel at gasolina.
Ni-utilize nito ang proseso ng chemistry of sublimation.
Ito ay masusing sinubok ng different government agency. Tulad ng ito, tsaka ito, at lastly, ito, at iba pang mga pribadong sektor. These are the proofs of the effectiveness of ACC.
Kaya itong makapag-save ng fuel by 32% at kaya nitong i-increase ang horsepower by 7.95%.
Proven and tested na talagang maraming advantage ang ACC. Pasok na pasok ito sa Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999, Section 3.
Focus primarily on pollution prevention rather than on control.
Sa ngayon, mas lalong ini-improve ng mga researchers ang development ng product na ito.
But I believe that Aerogas catalyst combustor can save the world.
So sharks, what do you think?